The XLNavigator date picker and calendar tool makes it a snap to set or edit dates in Excel. Select one or multiple cells and set the date by picking the date from the calendar date picker. Visually see a date on the calendar when a cell with the date value is selected. Change to the month view to see the month in which a selected date falls, or go to the year view to see which year the selected cell date value is. When you install the free XLNavigator Excel add-in for Microsoft Windows Desktop, XLNavigator becomes part of Microsoft Excel's user interface. Therefore, the XLNavigator date picker is not unique to any specific Excel file. Thus, the calendar date picker is always readily available whenever needed. On the other hand, when you don't need the XLNavigator calendar date picker, collapse it to the side. XLNavigator vertical tabs make it easy and quick to see all sheets in an Excel workbook without having to scroll. You can make the vertical tabs larger for more legibility and presentation purposes, or make the vertical sheet tabs small and compact to see as many sheets as possible without having to scroll in a large workbook with many sheets. The XLNavigator vertical tabs show all hidden and very hidden sheets and their positions relative to other sheets, giving you situational awareness of the content of your workbook. XLNavigator Excel SQL features make working with SQL Server tables easy, convenient and efficient to quickly export any table or view from any schema into an Excel selected area. XLNavigator makes importing any selected cell range as a SQL Server table effortless. The selected cell range can be imported or appended to a table under any selected schema in SQL Server, with as few steps as possible and error-free. Importing or exporting data from Excel into SQL Server or SQL Server into Excel is fast. You will enjoy excellent performance and be able to import thousands of rows into a SQL Server table within seconds. XLNavigator does not alter Excel files in any proprietary way, and you can open those Excel files with standalone Excel without needing XLNavigator. XLNavigator does not use VBA or macros. Download and install XLNavigator free today and try it for yourself. Once you have XLNavigator, you will wonder how you have ever been able to manage without it.